Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. You know I love the subscription boxes. We've done plenty here on the channel. I've done some before with Iraqveteran's Man Can. So they provide an excellent product and it helps support a great YouTube channel. So when Brandy asked me to do a review on their recent EDC, their Everyday Carry Man Can, I said absolutely. Problem is I opened it up and I was looking at the cool stuff and Mrs. SkinnyMedic threw the box away. So there's no unboxing, but I have all the stuff. So I'm going to go through what was in their EDC Man Can, and I think you're going to like it. I think it's some cool stuff, and I have a giveaway that's going to go to my Patreon supporters. So the first thing I got out of the Man Can was this knife here. It's QSP knife, and if you've been following me on Instagram, you see I've already been carrying this knife for about a week or so, and so far I really like it. So it's got the G10 grips on it, kind of like a carbon fiber look. I'll get you a closer look here. And it has the 440C steel here. It's got the Iraqveteran. This is a nice weighted knife here. It's good, solid, feels good. I'm excited. I've already been carrying this for about a week now, and I've had good results out of it. So the next thing, honestly, is probably going to go to my son once he finds out I have this. It's a nice leather bracelet. It says "We the People." So he's probably going to be taking this. I'm just not cool enough to wear this, so I'll let him wear it. We also had a nice little minimalist wallet here by Tech here, and it also has a 10% off your next purchase. These are pretty cool little wallets here. You can put your business cards or credit cards, stuff like that in there. You can put money here, so just something if you want to throw in your front pocket, you don't want to carry a big old wallet. These are pretty cool. So it wouldn't be a Man Can if it didn't have a cool morale patch here. So we have a pocket dump morale patch. Pretty cool looking. So the next thing that was in the Man Can, I was super excited about. I've actually been meaning to order some. I've just been a slacker. So when I saw them in the box, I was super excited. I carry a key bar every single day. This is the one I had made up. It says SkinnyMedic on one side. It says Medical Gear Outfitters on the other side. It has my shop keys, my house keys. Has an Olight mini flashlight on there. But I literally carry these every single day. So when I saw the magnets here from key bar, I was like, yes! I was super excited. You can attach these to your key bar and then say you put your truck keys on there, because sometimes people fuss about the key bar being too heavy and they don't want it dangling from their truck keys all the time in the ignition. So you can disconnect your truck keys, or if you have something else that you want to disconnect from here, that will work perfectly for these. So Johnny from 180 Seconds, he wasn't sure what this was when he opened it up, but hope you're watching. So the last thing I saw in the Man Can I was super excited about. I carry a Blue Alpha Gear belt on a daily basis. Doesn't matter if I'm here in the shop, I'm on the amulets, I'm in the woods, I have a Blue Alpha Gear belt on. I have beat the crap out of the ones I have, and they have withstand it. The guys there in Atlanta, Georgia are awesome. So when I saw the coupon code, I was super excited. This is $40 off a Blue Alpha Gear belt. That's a great deal. And I'm actually wearing one right now. I would pan the camera down, which would be scaring my crotch. That's a little awkward. But I do have one on. But this is a great deal. So I'm going to post this one on my Patreon supporters. So I'm going to give it away to somebody on my Patreon page who supports us. So I appreciate those who support us on Medical Gear Outfitters and those that support us on Patreon. While I've got you here just for a minute, I just want to encourage you that if you have the financial ability to support your favorite YouTube channel, I think you should. Whether it be buying their Man Can, buying the subscription box, buying their merchandise, I think you should get behind them and support them. We all know the controversy has been going on here at YouTube here in the last probably year, maybe more than that now. But I would encourage you to get behind them and support them. It costs us money to make videos here on YouTube. I wouldn't do this if I didn't love it. But it costs money. It costs the gun channels money to make the videos that we watch. So if you can get behind them and support them, I would encourage you to do that. Even on my channel, about 50% of the videos are not ad friendly. Especially those ones where I'm doing the after action medical reports. Those get crazy views. Those, you guys are behind those. They get a lot more views than my other videos do. So you guys obviously like those, but immediately those get flagged for no ads. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder, moving the right gear and the right training.